Scott Shenker spent his undergraduate and graduate studies pursuing theoretical physics. Soon after joining the Xerox Palo Alto Research Center in 1984, his research shifted to computer science, and in the ensuing years wandered from networking and internet architecture to performance modeling to distributed systems to game theory and economics. He currently splits his time between the International Computer Science Institute and the UC Berkeley Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences Department. His work on fair queuing, FQ, changed how the networking community thinks about the fundamental problem of resource allocation on the internet. Routers are the basic building block in the internet infrastructure, and today virtually every router implements some form of FQ. In addition, FQ is now part of Linux, the de facto operating system for modern servers. His current research includes projects in networking, system design, privacy mechanisms, and technology ecosystem transformation. However, internet architecture has remained central to his research over the past 3 decades.
My competitive advantage is that I don't know very much, because it makes it easier for me to go and work in other fields, because I've never known. It's not like I know about X and I can't work on Y because I don't know about Y. I don't know about X either. And so it frees me up that whenever I find an interesting problem, something that gets under my skin, I can think about it because I'm used to not knowing much about the area that I'm working in. We can really change the world. In recent years, we've gotten very timid in the field that I'm in. That is, we do a lot of work that basically are incremental improvements to what people are doing in the cloud and so forth. And this is just trying to remind us that we've changed the world and we can change the world again, and we should think bigger.
For pioneering contributions to scheduling and management of packet switch networks, impacting the theory and practice of communication networks, we present the 2023 Women of ENIAC Computer Pioneer Award to Scott Shenker.